If you've ever needed reliable economic data like inflation, GDP, unemployment, or interest rates, you've probably ended up digging through the Federal Reserve Economic Data website, downloading series one by one. Now, this Fred Economic Data Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description, is used to automate the entire process. Instead of manually searching, filtering, and exporting datasets, the Fred Economic Data Scraper collects everything for you in one structured dataset, ready for analysis in minutes. So, how does it work? The first thing you need is a search parameter. In this search box, you just need to provide a search keyword, for example, GDP. You can also narrow results using built-in filters, like the frequency and what units, depending on what you need, and also a sort option. This all depends on what you need. For this example, we'll only run the GDP. You can either run the actor once, or schedule it according to what you need. For this example, we'll run it once. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row is a result, and it includes information like the series ID, title, any seasonal adjustments, any observations, any notes, and the series URL. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This is ideal for time series analyses, forecasting, and backtesting strategies. So, this scraper helps you save hours of manual searching and downloading, access thousands of official economic indicators in one run, keep research reproducible and structured, pull fresh, up-to-date economic data automatically. So, whether you're an economist, an analyst, researcher, or policymaker, this actor turns Fred into a fully automated data pipeline. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.